Hi, my name is Tom, and welcome to St Dunstan's and St Oswald's. Let me show you around. Now I will show you to the housemaster's study. This is where we talk, play games and chill.
My name is Stefan Steinebach and I'm the housemaster here in St Dunstan's and St Oswald's. In our house we've got 44 boys, mostly from the UK. We also have 3 Austrians, 1 Swiss, 1 German, 1 Nigerian, 1 French and 1 boy from Hong Kong. St Dunstan's and Oswald's was merged in 2019 and then they moved here to Bolton House. It's a wonderful environment. We've got amazing facilities such as a vast garden which is maintained by our chaplain Father Henry and our boys from the gardening club. We've got loads of space in the house and probably the most beautiful views over the entire valley. Breakfast is in-house every morning. This morning, for example, we had ham and cheese toasties, we had fresh fruit, croissants and pain au chocolat.
Hello, my name is Ambrose. I'm going to be showing you around the junior kitchen. So here we cook pasta in the evening and make cereal, and predominantly for year 9 and 10. So I'm about to show you into the year 9 and 10 carols where we do prep from 6:30. Let's go have a look what they're up to. We use this study area for an hour and a half each day and actually get set and prep on different days. So now we are going to be entering the year 9 dorms. Either we're just chatting or we do our own hobbies in our free time.
Our house team consists of me, the housemaster, and then my assistant Piers Butler, matron Joanne, and our chaplain Father Henry. We've also got the support of 6 academic tutors and then of course our housekeeping team.
Hello, my name is Philip and I'm in year 11. This is my room. I recently got a single room. It's nice because I get my own space and I can revise my exams. It's really nice to have a space to socialise with my friends too.
Hi, I'm Rafe and I'm in year 11 and I'll show you around this part of the house.
In here we have the laundry room. Come and get all the clean laundry, always on time. In here we have the year 11 carols, where 3 of us work. It's a really nice area where you can work together. Help each other with revision, exams, and there's lots of space to keep all your folders and do lots of work.
We're very diverse here in the house. We've got some serious academics, we've got amazing musicians, and we've got a very strong team of sports people. An important aspect of our house life is our religious life. Christ is in the center of everything we do. In the boarding house, we enable encounters with Christ through the experience of being a loving and caring community.
Hi, I'm Cozzy. I'm in year 12. And this is where we all live. And this is a normal year 12 bedroom. When you get to 6th form, you get a bigger room and your own room, which is really nice to have your own space. You can decorate it how you want. You get your own desk and your own sink, so you're able to be independent.
Hello, my name is Felix. I'm the deputy head of house, and I'll be showing you the 6th form common room, where the year 12 and year 13 spend a lot of time.
Something that's particularly important to me is the idea of student voice, which means that students take part in the decision-making processes here in the house. So we've got a house council, and there we discuss on a weekly basis with different chairs of boys who are chairing it, how we spend our house budget, so the money that we make, for example, through our tuck shop, what socials we will offer, and anything else to do with the house.
Here I'm going to show you into the year 13 corridor. We all have our own room with an ensuite where the rooms are very modern, but everyone likes to have their own little touch. Up here it just feels like one big family.
As a housemaster, I see my job as educating young boys in becoming responsible future leaders, responsible for their own actions, responsible for others, and responsible for their environment. The boys and I would love to welcome you here in St Dunstan's and Oswald's, and so that you can experience firsthand what a loving and caring community we are. Thank you.